Hi, today I just got this 3 legs cough relief cough syrup, no alcohol. Just want to give you my review. This is the first time I see 3 legs, right? Yeah, have cough syrup. I didn't know that 3 legs 三只脚, right? I drink last time I used to take this when I was young. Not cough syrup, but the 3 legs water. Yeah, for water heatiness, and my mom will buy it. And now I'm having cough, so I tried this 3 legs cough relief syrup. I found on Shopee. Decided to try. I just took it. This is the cough syrup. Okay, cough syrup. It claims to relieve cough, loosen and expel phlegm, soothes irritated throats. What's the ingredient? Glufamine, BP, 100 mg, and sodium benzoate. Okay, so what should adult take? The intake. Adults rate is actually 10 to 20 ml. Yeah, okay, it's about 10 ml is 2 teaspoon, 20 ml is 4 teaspoon for adults. 6 to 12 years old is half of it, 5 ml to 10 ml, so 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon. 2 to 6 is 2.5 to 5 ml, half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. Take every 4 hours. Yeah, or as directed by your doctor. Keep it within below 30 degrees. Don't put it in sunlight. Yeah, get this away from children. So you want to give it to your children, you need to be careful. Okay, now yeah, this is the English instruction. Relief of cough due to colds. Okay, what I told you just now. Just now the one is Chinese instruction. Okay, so how do I feel? A few minutes ago I just take it. It's very cooling for the throat. For those with sore throat, it will be very good. Okay, cough, I hope it does, because I don't know, I will just observe. Just take a few minutes ago. Just the throat is very cooling. It claims that it can expel the phlegm. I hope it will expel the phlegm as well. Yeah, probably I'll update you guys if find this helpful. Yeah, just to let you know, I'm going to try this cough syrup. Hopefully it can cure my cough. Okay, if you want to try, I'll put this product in the description. You can buy in Shopee. Okay, yeah, this is actually not a glass bottle. I think it's a plastic bottle. Plastic bottle. I think it's plastic. Yeah, I think it's plastic. And it comes with this box. Okay, this box expiry is very long. Made in last year. Okay, manufactured in Malaysia. Okay, manufactured in Malaysia, Johor. Distributed by One King Marketing. Okay, so first time I see 3 legs having cough relief syrup, cough relief syrup, and no alcohol, which is good, which means that daytime we can take it. Yeah. Okay, hope this helps you and me. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my video. Thanks.